Konnichiwa, Pat Tokuyama here, creator of All Day I Eat Like a Shark and the Japanese Cooking Club. If this is your first time here, consider subscribing for more videos like this one. Today what we're going to be doing is making shoyukoji, and I have my kome koji here, which is what we're going to be using, and we're going to also be using some soy sauce, which I do not have here, so I need to go and find it. Alright, so here is my soy sauce, and this is really all that you need. Here is regular shoyukoji, and it's been out for a little bit, so it's starting to bubble, because it is active, and this is what we're going to be making, sort of, with shoyu. So instead of water and salt, we're going to be using shoyu. So I have a canning jar here, which we're going to be using to mix. I think this is about 100 grams. That's what we used last time. So we're just going to go ahead and weigh it out just to make sure. We're going to do equal parts shoyu, equal parts kome koji. And this is low sodium soy sauce, which is what I recommend you use for health reasons, since you don't need extra salt. And low sodium is just about the same in terms of flavor. I don't know about you guys, but I can't really tell the difference. So that's why I recommend it. All right, so there's 116 grams. I'm going to put 115 mils of shoyu in here, or 116 grams. It's going to be about 230, and that's about it. So what we're going to do is just mix it once a day for about 10 days-ish, and leave it at room temperature, and it'll be ready to use. So this goes great with any kind of dishes that you would use, or anything that you'd normally use shoyu for. For example, if you're going to be eating natto, I'm going to put it on some meat or fish or some vegetables. It'll help to give it a really unique flavor, a little bit different than shoyu. And this is one of those things that you just got to make. I've actually never seen this sold anywhere, at least in the US. So that's pretty much it. Just mix it once a day for about 10 days. Leave it at room temperature, and it'll be ready to use. So that's going to be it for today's video, and if you want to see more videos like this one, subscribe if you haven't already, hit the alarm bell for notifications, leave any questions or comments if you have any below, and other than that, I will see you in my next video. Ja-ne, bye-bye. Okay, so